7000 for 17,000. If I maintain flight level C20 runway 30.
Listen to Redwood 885 at a 380 Redwood 885.
Just to buy it again, waste it with my fare with the friends. Crash it in the back of the Benz. No need to define it, that is what I is. High from the 50th floor, flying. Take a match at the door. We're dancing in the eye of the storm, and you wanna know if you've met me before.
We're gathered here today to celebrate this special love that the two of you have found and to join you in marriage.
I've seen you dancing on the floor. Your moves can move me out the door.
As I said, we are gathered here today to celebrate a new chapter in your story. This is a celebration of unity, of commitment, of promises becoming permanent, and of course, a celebration of love. From a little game day flirting in a King's Super Shop parking lot to the mountaintop only reachable by helicopter, you've been on an incredible adventure together. And this day is proof of that, and proof of all the incredible adventures you're gonna have going forward.
I, Blake Parker,
Take you, Ashley, to be my wife.
take you, Ashley, to be my wife.
I, Ashley Henning,
Take you, Blake,
take you, Blake,
to be my husband,
to be my husband.
my partner in life, and my true love.
My partner in life and my true love.
I will cherish our friendship.
We'll cherish our friendship.
I love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
I will love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
As I've given you my hand to hold,
As I've given you my hand to hold,
I give you my heart to keep.
I give you my heart to keep.
So now, with your vows exchanged and your intent declared by the power vested in me by the state of Colorado, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Yes.